Hello, and welcome to this tutorial of inputting an interlibrary loan request at the Tommaney Library here at Haskell Indian Nations University. My name is Doris Watts, and I will be guiding you through this process. So let's begin. This tutorial will help you become familiar with request slips in the library. Step-by-step instructions will demonstrate a typical interlibrary loan request. The manual interlibrary loan system at Tommaney requires active communication via email for important updates. Contact information is provided at the end for further questions. Our request system first begins with a half-sheet slip requiring the item format, title, author, and copyright year. The requester's information is necessary when communicating shipments or when the item is ready for pickup. Now, with that information in mind, let's see the process in action as we tag along with our patron Jane as they search for a book. It seems the student is having some difficulties trying to find a book within our cataloging system. Hey, you should ask a librarian.
Hello, how can I help you?
I'm having some trouble finding this book. It's called Geek Love by Catherine Dunn.
Okay, and you already checked our kiosk?
Yeah, I already checked it.
Alright, I will look it up on our interlibrary loan system. If you could just please fill out this form so that my search will go more smoothly. Yeah. Thank you. If you would like to take a seat, I will get right back with you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you.
Now that Jane has taken a seat, we can get started. We will begin by first inputting the title of the book in the search bar. This will bring up different formats of the same title, which will show up in the list. Make sure it's the right format the student is requesting, and click the request icon that looks like a hand. This will bring you to the digital request slip, which needs only the starred information, which is the first and last name of the patron, in this case, Jane Doe. And lastly, the patron's contact one box should always be the librarian's email. Then click the Submit button. A confirmation box will appear after you submit. Just click the OK button and you're brought back to the dashboard. And go ahead and click on the Request Manager. This will bring you to the status of the books coming and going from your library. Currently, our student's book request status will be stated in the top left column. The first status every book starts with is the awaiting lenders. Then we'll change to awaiting approval when the page is refreshed. And go ahead and click on. Now all we have to do is click the drop-down box under the status column and click the Approved Send. Then click the Submit button at the top right of the page. Success! The loan has been sent through and the status is pending according to the status under the left lower column titled Items Awaiting Trader Partnering Response.
Oh, hi. Your book was approved and will be here in 5 to 10 business days. Email you any updates on when to come pick up the book?
Oh, perfect.
Okay. And do you have any more questions or?
I believe that's everything.
Okay.
But thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Yep, thank you.
Now let's overview what we just learned. We learned about the request slip that is available to students, staff, and faculty, the process of successfully submitting a request in the Kansas catalog, and the importance of communicating updates. If you have any further questions in regards to the interlibrary loan system, please feel free to contact us. And thank you for watching this tutorial. Onward, Haskell!